Converting XLS file to PDF will allow everyone to easily open and share XLS file. Sometimes, you need to send XLS files to your partners. Unfortunately, they have no Office app to read XLS formats. Therefore, you need to convert XLS file to PDF first so that they can open XLS documents easily. Having that said, let us find out the way on how to convert XLS to PDF using LightPDF. First thing you need to do is to visit the official page of LightPDF using your favorite browser. From there, click the Excel to PDF icon. Then, hit the plus icon to choose your target file from your computer or simply drag and drop the file to the page. Once uploaded, hit the Convert button to convert the file. After the conversion, download the converted file. And that is the simplest way on how to convert XLS to PDF. Thank you for watching.